Chapter 9 Upkar Hatastu Kartavyah. Mujhkatik by Shudraka is a kind of allegorical drama. The theme is based on the lives of ordinary people in society. As the protagonist, we have Charudatta, who was once a wealthy person but is now poor. As the heroine is a rich courtesan, Vasansena. The imaginative portrayal of their love by Shudraka makes this work an unique one. This excerpt is taken from the 10th act of Mujhkatik. Shakara, the brother-in-law of the king, kills Vasansena by suffocating her. For the crime committed by him, Shakara puts the blame on Charudatta. Charudatta is sentenced to death. Fortunately, Vasansena is alive. By coincidence, there is a change of kingship. Moreover, the fact that Charudatta did not try to kill, but that it was Shakara, also comes to light, and so Shakara, who is now an ordinary citizen, is arrested. The conversation that takes place to decide what punishment should be given to Shakara is edited and presented here. Those in power may succeed in harassing the common, innocent people for some time, but in the end it is they themselves who will be harassed. Moreover, the good person who comes to power does not harbor any feeling of revenge towards the person who had harmed him earlier. Instead, he has a feeling of pardon and helpfulness, and that is the moral that we get from this dialogue. Moreover, how in Sanskrit the indeclinable is used to express feelings felt is also to be learnt here. Nepthaye vadati. Arere राष्ट्रीय शालक एहि स्वस्य अविनयस्य फलमनुभव. Behind the curtain. O you king's brother-in-law, come, experience the fruit of your roguery. Tatah pravishti purushera paschad bahu baddha Shakarah. Then enters Shakara, escorted by guards with hands tied on the back. Shakarah vadati. दिशो लक्ष्यः समन्ततः उपस्थितिः एव राष्ट्रीय बन्धवः. तत्कमिदानीम् अशरणः शरणं व्रजामि. विचिन्त्य भवतु तमेव शरणवत्सलं गच्छामि इत्युप्रसुत्य आर्य चारुदत्त परित्रायस्य इति पादयोः पतति. Looking to the quarters, here on all sides is the hammering in of the king's brother-in-law, so whom now shall I, helpless that I am, approach for protection, thinking, all right, I shall go right to him who is affectionate towards those who approach him for protection. Approaching, noble Charudatta, save me, falls at his feet. Nepthaye, Arya Charudatta, mucca, vyapadayam enam. Behind the curtain, noble Charudatta, leave him, let's kill him. Shakarah vadati. Charudattam prati. Bho asharana sharana. Paritrayasya. Shakara says to Charudatta, O you shelter for the shelterless, save me. Charudattah vadati. Shanukappam. Ahah. Abhayam. Sharnagatasya. Charudatta says compassionately, alas, freedom from fear, freedom for fear. To you who have approached for protection, I promise. Sharvilakah vadati. Shavegam. Aha. Apaniyatam ayam charudat pathartha. Charudatam prati. Nanuchyatam kimasya papa anushthiyatamiti. Sharvilaka says vehemently, oh, let him be removed from near Charudatta. To Charudatta, I say, please tell me what should be done with this sinner. Akarshantu shubdhavenam shvabhiha shankhadyatama atha. Shuleva tishtatamesha patatyatam krakachenava. Should they drag him away after being tightly bound, and should he be devoted by the dogs, or should he stay on the stake, or should he be saved down with a show? Charudattah vadati. Kimaham yada bravimi tata kriyate. Charudatta says, Would what I say be done? Sharvilakah vadati, Ko atra sandehah. Sharvilaka says, What is the doubt here? Shakarah vadati, Bhattarak Charudat, Sharnagato Ashmi, Tata Paritrayashva, Yatava Shadasham Tatkuru, Punarna Idarsham Karishyami. Shakara says, Master Charudatta, I have approached you for protection. So save me. Do what becomes you. I shall not do like this again. Nepthe, Poraha Vyapadayat, Kinnimitam Pataki Jivyate. Behind the curtain, citizens, kill him, fought for is the criminal to live. Sharvilakah vadati, Arere apanayat, Arya Charudat, Agnapyatam, Kimasya papasya anushtiyatam. Sharvilaka says, O you, take him away. Noble Charudatta, please order what should be done with this sinner. Charudattah vadati, Kimaham yada bravimi tatkriyate. Charudatta says, Would what I say be done? Sharvilakah vadati, Ko atra sandehah. Sharvilaka says, What doubt here? Charudattah vadati, Satyam. Charudatta says, True. Sharvilakah vadati, Satyam. Sharvilaka says, True. Charudattah vadati, Yadyevam Shrigramayam. Charudatta says, If so, quickly this one. Sharvilakah vadati, Kim hanyatam. Sharvilaka says, What should be killed? Charudattah vadati, Nahi nahi, muchyatam. Charudatta says, No, not at all. Let him be released. Sharvilakah vadati, Kimartham. Sharvilaka says, What for? Charudattah vadati, Shatruh krutaparatah, Sharanamupetya padayoh patitah, Sastrenana hantavyah. Charudatta says, An enemy who has committed an offense, fallen on the feet, having sought protection, should not be killed with a weapon. Sharvilakah vadati, Evam tarhi shvabhihi khadyatam. Sharvilaka says, All right, then let him be eaten by dogs. Charudattah vadati, Nahi, upkar hatastu kartavyah. Charudatta said, Not indeed. He should be made on killed by obligation. Sharvilakah vadati, Aho ascharyam, kim karomi, vadatvaryah. Sharvilaka says, Oh, what a surprise! What should I do? Let the noble one tell. Charudattah vadati, Tanmuchyatam. Charudatta says, So let him be released. Sharvilakah vadati, Mukto bhavatu. Sharvilaka says, Let him be free. Shakarah vadati, Ascharyam. Pratyujjivito ashmi. Iti purusheha sahnishkrantah. Shakara says, Wonderful. I have been restored to life. Exist with the quads.